Alright guys, so right now, I think you already know what time it is. It's time to put on my brace. Here it is right here. This is the one from Goodwin Racing. Not the Beatrush one, because I couldn't get the Beatrush one. Would have taken way too long to come from Japan, but at the end of the day, I probably should have ended up getting that one because I wouldn't have had to go and order different bolts and do all this crap just to get it to work now. But it is what it is, so I'm gonna go throw this on and show you guys how to do it. Alright guys, so shaky video, I know. I'm not using the GoPro under here, it's a little, or the gimbal under here, it's a little hard. But the brace is on. It was not that easy to put on, I'm gonna be honest with you. The bolts I ordered are extremely long. I can cut them, I'm not too worried about it, but I also don't care really at the same time. There's nothing in the way of it. It's not going to impede anything. And yeah, it's good. The exhaust doesn't come near it. And I found out what that weird clunking noise was. So I'm going to, I guess, get new bushings for those. And yeah, hopefully get rid of that squealing, because that drove me nuts wondering what the hell that was. So shout out to Aaron Melchior. I don't know if you want me to say your last name on here, but yo, the guy's a G. He called it and he was right. So thanks, brother. And yeah, so it was pretty straightforward. I had to take the two bolts out of here. These guys right here. And then these are the bolts they sent me, which are the wrong thread pitch. These are just a bit too fine for what I needed, so that's why I had to order long ones. I'd rather buy long ones than ones that are too short, so that's why they're an extra inch too long. Yeah, and then getting this in here, that was not easy, nor was it fun. These two bolts here, just mainly because at the top it's all stripped up, so I had to grab vice grips and just hold on tight and hope and pray those tighten up. But other than that, my car's this is a whole inch lower now, so I'm a little worried. I'm not even gonna lie. Like this is gonna get ripped off. I have to be super careful about this now. Like this is gonna be scary, because I rub already when I hit a bump really hard, and this is just gonna get fucked up. I'm not even gonna lie. But yeah, other than that, it was a pretty straightforward install. If you guys don't know where to put these go right here, these little spacers. Doesn't come with any instructions, so that's why I'm making this video. Hopefully it helps anyone that gets this out. So yeah, they go here and here, and the Allen head bolt goes right up, so it's hidden, so you don't have another bolt sticking out here, so that's pretty nice. And yeah, the diff does not move at all now because it's being braced here. And yeah, I'm excited to see how this thing drives. It should be pretty stiff now. Should help out with shifting a little bit. 6-speed does not shift nicely, so I'm definitely looking at that that short shifter by, who is it, IL Motorsport or something like that? No, Go Fat? No, I don't even know. I'm not even gonna say the name. I'll be way off. But yeah. And then I have to get ND or NB locking, whatever these called, to lock my suspension in, because Jesus, the alignment does not hold with these NA locking bolts. I guess that's what they're called, locking bolts. Don't quote me on that. But yeah, they suck. I might get those locks, might not. We'll see. So yeah, now that I have these two braces here, I have to get a brace for the front, because the NAs, the 1989s and to the 93s don't have any bracing at all here. So that's why I had to add it all. And if you can see, I have frame rails for some of the guys that are new. But yeah, my little muffler. I don't know what else to talk about. Pretty much it. Super easy install. If you guys have any questions, by all means, just shoot me a DM on Instagram. And yeah, I don't know if you guys can see that, but I am That is so fucking low. Holy shit. Well, hopefully when I throw on those 245s that I have up there, I'm gonna be lifting the car up a little bit. Oh man, I'm looking at her. I can see it from like the little gap, and that is bad. I don't like how low that is. I'm not a big fan of slammed ass cars, so that's the lowest I think I've ever been with this car. That hurts. That hurts so much how low that is. Wow. Yeah, I might be lifting it with the tires. We'll see. Oh man, I'm gonna have to go get those tires thrown on. So this here bashes off of the steering rack and one of my brake lines. So I have to find the in-between for both of them so it doesn't smash and rattle like crazy and make my car sound like crap when I'm driving on the highway. So yeah, just gotta loosen that off and twist it and keep trying it and see how it goes. All right guys, so I adjusted that. Now I just gotta take it for a ride and see if that's the right amount. If not, I'm gonna have to come back and adjust it and go from there. But I'll catch you guys back at the house when I have it all figured out and sounding good. All right guys, so these bolts are coming loose on me, especially this one in the back there. And then that bottom one right there. See it better right here. Those are coming loose on me, so I just gotta tighten them up. And hopefully this will be better. And I got a little bit of Loctite so it can stop coming out, because it's so annoying having to fix this thing all the time. Well guys, that's all figured out. No more crazy rattling over here. And yeah, just put Loctite on those big bolts down there, the ones that I put on for the brace. But yeah, no damage on it yet. But holy crap, that thing is low. Oh, it's scary. But yeah. Thanks for watching guys, and like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you guys follow me on Snapchat, Instagram, and TikTok. I always post stuff up on there. So thanks for watching guys.